I'm John Kerrigan with US Equipment Sales and Rentals. We're here today showcasing the Thunder Creek SLT690 field maintenance trailer. The Thunder Creek SLT service and loop trailer is one of the most versatile field maintenance trailers on the market, built to replace or supplement full loop trucks for on-site. This trailer comes with the electric jack. It comes with the 50-gallon depth tank. It comes with the air compressor, work light. It comes with 14,000-pound axles. This particular model has got 6 oil tanks and it's got 1 waste oil recovery tank. All the reels come with the quick disconnect fittings. It's got grease. It's got 1 tank here for the waste oil filters. It's got the air for blowing out equipment and extra fuels for extra filters. This is one hell of a trailer. Check out US Equipment Sales and Rentals for pricing on these units.